Hey, hi everybody. Welcome back. As promised yesterday, this is part 2 of the series. And today I want to show you how to actually create an eBay store. So stay tuned and let's create an eBay store together. Hi everybody. So today I'm going to show you how to create a eBay store. So we already did the first listings yesterday, and I was going to do an updated eBay store, but we cannot do that because I'm going to share my screen. I'm going to show you. I'm on eBay. And what I want to do for you guys, since we're all beginners here, is selling promotions. You can list up to 200 items for free and make money today. So we want to do that. We want to make sure that we can sell and make money before we just start buying a store. But this is great for a beginner when you're just starting out. If you have more than 200 items in your store, then I would say let's upgrade. But it says that I can make up to $500 in February and sell up to 5 items or $500 per month, whichever comes for free. List an item. So we went through this earlier. I already set up my account. I want to show you. I want to show you my eBay account. See, I was trying to sign up and it said I didn't have a valid thing. I want to go to my store. Actually, not a store. It's just like a storefront. I just put a picture. It's the same picture on my YouTube video. It's my banner. And then this is my Hales Life YouTube thing. I did that. And I did my profile and I just wrote in just for educational purposes for this video. We are a home-based business selling gently used items at reasonable prices. And then it just says start selling today. So here we are. We can start selling. Our first thing we want to do, we want to take advantage of the free 200 listings. We just click sell. What can we sell? I don't know. Let's see if I have. So let's go grab an item. Here we go. Here's Midnight's collar. We'll use this as an example. And here she comes because she hears her jingling. So we're gonna sell pets. Let's go into it. Dog collar. It is black. And when you list, you want to list and be, pretty descriptive as you can be. So, and then when we go to our pictures, we need to do the best pictures that we can actually do. Okay, so we have a dog collar, black, size large. It would probably be good to have a tape measure or something because, yes, I know this is yours. We want to measure it. So whoever's looking for a dog collar, they may be looking for a certain length. So you may want to measure it. For this purposes, we're going to put it's 10 inches. I mean, it may not be. I don't know. Okay, so then it's going to just tell you under pet supplies, that's probably where it's going to go. Got a dog collar, black, size large, 10 inches. We'll put unisex. So it can be for a male or female. It could go under collars. Yep, we'll do that. Okay. categories. Let's see. UPC, and we don't even have to put new. We can put does not apply. You can sell stuff on eBay. It doesn't have to be used. It can be new. It can be used. It can be pre-owned. It can be broken. Yeah. Whatever the condition is, you need to specify it though, because people need to know what they're buying. I mean, you wouldn't like to buy something on eBay or any kind of store and thinking you're going to buy some brand new thing and it's some raggedy piece of junk that's old and used and got holes on it. You'd be very upset. So you don't want to upset any customers. You want them to keep coming back. So used. I usually do the photos last. And, you know, doing it in a well-lit room or, you know, outside where the sunlight is to really show the details of what you're selling would be great. Type, standard dog collar, material, nylon, dog breed, any. I put any. Features, adjustable. It's not personalized, none of that. Okay. Okay, so like I told you yesterday, what I like to do. Oh, brand. I don't know, unbranded. I got it at Walmart. It doesn't even say. So what we want to do is when you go to your description, eBay wants you to put the title in the description. So I always copy the title. I scroll down here. I always do 18 because sometimes people can't see well. And I want to make it easy for them to read what I have so I can make a sale. Dog collar, black, size large, unisex. You can put made, nylon. What else do we want to put? Adjustable. It's adjustable. Adjustable collar. Okay, we'll put pre-owned, good condition. Or whatever else you really want. But this is how you sell it. You need to be descriptive in the description, no matter what you're selling. So, I don't want to do an auction. I wouldn't do an auction unless it's something pretty rare and hard to find item. I always do a fixed price, buy it now. And a lot of people want to buy, they want to buy it now. They don't want to wait 7 days. Okay, so it shows average price sold. So you can look on here and see what's been sold. 7 has been sold in the past 90 days. So it's not a big thing, but I mean, they have sold them. So that gives you an idea in the comps. So average price sold $8.85. Okay, so I want to be right under. I want to be competitive. We'll go $7.99 and we will accept offers. We only have one, so under quantity, there's one. Payment options, we'll put PayPal. Require immediate payment with buy it now. I would definitely click that because so many times people have bought stuff and then they just don't pay for it. You get charged a final value fee from eBay when you sell something. So I would do that. Sales tax. I have this set up already in my other account, Illinois. I don't know, what is it, 2.5%? flat cost to all buyers. No, because it's going to cost more to ship to California than it is to Missouri. So we're going to do calculated. And this is actually under a pound. So we can pick first class. Go down here, try to find it's padded, it's flat rate. This is all priority. Here we go. USPS first class, 3 to 5 business days. We will do that. If you want to offer local pickup and you don't want to ship it, you can click that. Select the handling time. I always do 1 business day. Excuse me. You're going to have to wait a minute, please. No, it's not burning, honey. I'm cooking it. It's okay. He's worried that the turkey that I'm cooking in the oven is burning. I got it set up for no international shipping. We're going to get into that in a few more videos if you want to do that, because you can have millions more of customers. Item weight. You want to weigh it, and you want to weigh it in its packaging and all that. I'm just going to put 15 ounces because that's the largest it can be on a flat rate. I think, or not flat rate, first class has to be 1 pound or under. So we will put 15 ounces. And then you would go and you need to take pictures. And like the other video that I showed you, I used my cell phone and I put it in a well lit area and I uploaded pictures. I think we're going to do a video tomorrow on how to photograph them. I think I'm going to do a video on how to do it on your phone, actually, because not everybody has a computer and anybody can list on the phone. So you would want to take pictures of your item. And then once those are uploaded, you would hit list item. So I can do save as draft right now. That anyways, and then it'll be in your drafts. You'll be able to find it. So anyways, that's how you create an account. That's how you list your first item. And I would take advantage of everything that eBay has to offer you for free. Because it costs money. It costs money for shipping tape and boxes and all that. So that's how you start your first listing. And eBay the more you list, the more you're going to sell. If you just list one thing every other month, you're not going to really make anything. I don't know. It depends if you want to do this full-time or part-time. If you want to do full-time, I would jump in and I would list at least 5-6 things a day. Every day, consistent. Once eBay realizes that you're consistent with your listings, they will show your items. It will come up in the search rank further. And you want to be on page 1, not on page 50, because people aren't going to scroll to 50 pages. They're going to find the cheapest one on page 1 and they're going to hit buy. That's what I would do. I mean, why would you not? So anyways, so that's how you create your eBay store. Well, it's not really a store. It's kind of like a storefront. It's free.